I am Dr. Muhammad Shoaib, and today we are going to study addition reactions of carbene. Addition reactions of carbene. The addition of methylene unit CH2 to the carbon-carbon double bond of alkene is a syn addition. And the mechanism for a carbene reaction or addition is a concerted one, that is, it takes place in one step. Singlet and triplet carbenes do not demonstrate the same reactivity. Empty p orbitals and non-bonded pair of electrons make singlet carbene to behave as a nucleophile as well as an electrophile. It can react in a single concerted step. However, triplet carbene behaves as diradical and have to go through an intermediate with two unpaired electrons. Here is the addition of carbene to an alkene to produce cyclopropane. The mechanism is concerted one to give product. Here is the mechanism. Here is the addition reaction of carbene to an alkene. Here the carbene is triplet carbene having two electrons with the same spin. Here these two electrons shows the double bond of a carbon-carbon double bond. One electron from a double bond and one electron from carbene will react to form a bond. Now the both electrons have same spin and they cannot form a bond. Then there are two possibilities. Either this bond can rotate or either this bond can rotate to form two products. These are non-stereospecific products. While singlet carbene produces stereospecific product. If singlet carbene reacts with transalkene, the product is trans. Here, two R groups are at opposite to each other. And if singlet carbene reacts with cis-alkene, the product is cis. Thus, the addition reactions of carbene to alkene triplet produces non-stereospecific product, while the singlet produces stereospecific product. Here is a stereospecific addition of dibromocarbene to cis and trans-2-butene. Trans-2-butene gives a trans product while the cis-2-butene gives a cis product. Here once again the mechanism for both reactions have been given. Cis product is obtained by the cis alkene while the trans product is obtained by the trans alkene. Here is the order of reactivity. Greater the number of electron donating groups attached to the double bond, greater is the reactivity. Here once again the mechanism for non-stereospecific addition of a triplet methylene to a cis alkene is given. Here is a cis alkene, here is a triplet carbene. It has two possibilities. When this bond can be rotated, the product is cis. And when this carbon-carbon bond is rotated, the product is trans. Thus, cis alkene produces cis and trans cyclopropane. Here is a cycloaddition reaction of carbene. These reactions are very fast and exothermic as two new sigma bonds are formed and only an alkene pi bond is broken. Moreover, intermolecular additions are also possible. Here this is the precursor of carbene. Nitrogen will be eliminated and a carbene will be produced which will react with this double bond in a concerted mechanism to give cyclopropane. Here are some other cycloaddition reactions of carbene. These are intermolecular reactions. Here is a mechanism for this type of reaction. This carbene will attack on this carbon and this double bond will attack on this carbon of carbene to produce cyclopropane. Here is another example, addition of substituted carbene to styrene. Here is the regioselective addition of carbene. Carbene is added to the more electron-rich alkene. As we have seen that more electron donating groups attached to the alkene double bond, greater is the reactivity. So here, this double bond is more reactive and carbene is attached here. As in this case, this double bond is more reactive and produces a major product of 80%, while the other double bond is less reactive and 20% of minor product is obtained. Here is a stereospecific addition of carbene to a trans double bond. There also seems to be a preference for the trans double bond as seen in this reaction of methylene with cis trans trans 159 cyclotetradecatriene. When carbene is added to this trans double bond, 97% of the product is obtained, while when this carbene is added to this cis double bond, only 3% of the product is obtained. Remember that these two double bonds are equivalent double bonds. Carbene can also be added to C double bond N. The addition of dichlorocarbene to diazo compound give olefins. Addition of dichlorocarbene to C double bond N produces this three-membered cyclic ring. It will eliminate nitrogen molecule to give an olefin. Carbene can also be added or reacted to the aromatic compounds. The high reactivity of carbene adds to the aromatic compounds. The resulting adducts are in thermal equilibrium with the corresponding cycloheptatriene. When diazomethane in the presence of light and benzene reacts with the benzene, the cyclic product is formed. It is rearranged by the Cope rearrangement to the cycloheptatriene. Similarly, dicyanocarbene at 80 degrees centigrade will also be added to the carbene. It will also be ring expanded. Similar is the case here. All these produces cycloheptatriene. Next, the addition of bis trifluoromethylcarbene to hexafluorobenzene. It is hexafluorobenzene. A bis trifluoromethylene carbene is attached here to form cyclopropane derivative. It is rearranged or expanded to this form. Here are some other examples of ring expansion. The main motive behind the ring expansion is to relieve the strain which a cyclopropane ring have. When carbene is added to a bicyclosystem, regioselective addition takes place. If there are two substituents of the carbene are different, two possible products may be obtained. Those are called as syn or anti-product. Here dichlorocarbene is attached to this double bond, and then this ring expansion takes place with the little bit rearrangement of chlorine. Next is stereoselective addition of carbene from less hindered phase. Moderate stereoselectivity is also seen in the addition of phenoxycarbene to cyclohexene, in which product ratio is apparently influenced by the steric factors that favors the introduction of larger groups, that is phenoxy, in the less crowded exo position. Here it is a more favorable because phenoxy is at the exo position. It is less favorable because phenoxy is at the endo position. Here it is chloroform in the presence of a strong base. It produces dichlorocarbene. It is attached and reacted to this double bond, and this carbene is attached from the less hindered phase. In naphthalene, the carbene is added at 1,2 double bond to produces 1,6-methanocyclodecapentine in a rearrangement reaction. Next is Simon-Smith reaction. Conversion of alkene to cyclopropane by adding CH2 involves the diiodomethane and zinc copper amalgam, commonly referred to as Simon-Smith reagent. The active species is believed to be iodomethyl zinc iodide in equilibrium with bis-iodomethyl zinc. Cyclopentanol gives the only endo-bicyclic alcohol. In this reaction, sonication is used to promote the reaction. The reaction is stereospecific and strongly regioselective. Thus, it has been found that cyclopentanol gives only the endo-bicyclic alcohol, while exo-bicyclic alcohol is not formed here. Here are some other examples of cycloaddition reactions of carbene. Carbenoids are sterically more hindered and react relatively more slowly with the highly substituted alkene than the free carbene. Here are some other examples. Here the carbene is attached to this double bond. Here the carbene will react with this double bond to form cyclopropane. Here the carbene will react with this double bond to form cyclopropane ring, and here this double bond is more reactive and the carbene will react with this double bond to form cyclopropane. Here is a mechanism. Zinc along with iodine and X may be iodine or CH2I leave here, and this CH2 or methylene or carbene is added to this double bond in a concerted reaction. Addition reaction of carbene to duroquinone. Duroquinone reacts with diazomethane to give adducts that under action of acid catalysis heat or light it loses nitrogen as shown in the mechanism to give products. Here there are two possibilities. Carbene can only add to one double bond or it can also be added to both the double bonds. It depends upon the reactant ratio. If we have 1 mole of diazomethane and 1 mole of duroquinone, only one double bond will react. While if we have excess of diazomethane, then a mixture of product will be obtained. Cycloaddition reactions to 1,3-diene. Here is a 1,4 addition of carbene to 1,3-diene. Here it's 1,3-diene. The 1,4 addition of carbene to 1,3-diene gives cyclopentenes. It is extremely rare reaction, and in some special conditions direct 1,4 addition reactions are observed, but they give very poor yield. Here is a cycloaddition reactions of carbene to allenes. This is a cumulated system, and many carbenes are added to this to give alkylidene cyclopropanes in a synthetically useful reaction. This carbene will add to one double bond to produce this alkylidene cyclopropane. Here it is dimethylalene. It has been proposed as a useful probe for carbene multiplicity since singlet carbene is added to the more substituted 2,3 double bond. It is 2,3 double bond and singlet will be added to this double bond, while the triplet will be added to 1,2 double bond. And in both cases, different products are obtained. Addition reactions of carbene to enamines. Carbene reacts with enamine in the normal way, accompanied by the ring expansion that generates ketones via rearrangement of initially formed aminocyclopropane. In the first reaction, carbene is added to this double bond to give cyclopropane ring, which is rearranged to cyclohexene ring. When hydrolyzed, it gives ketone. Here it is a 1,2 addition of carbene to 1,3-diene. It is a 1,2 position. When carbene is added to this double bond, vinyl cyclopropane are obtained, which under the conditions of high temperature produces cyclopropene. And at the last, there is cycloaddition to alkynes. In general, alkynes are less nucleophilic than alkene. Therefore, these are less reactive toward carbene. Here it is a simple addition of carbene to this triple bond to produce this cyclopropene ring, which when reacts with water, it produces cyclopropenone ring. The mechanism is given here. And when this carbene reacts with this triple bonded alkyne, cyclopropene ring, substituted cyclopropene ring is obtained. When this carbene reacts with this triple bond, a 5-member ring is obtained. This is all about addition reactions of carbene. Here are a lot of examples are discussed. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.